Okay, students. Today's topic is medical termination of pregnancy, which comes under the MSN also and which comes under the CSN also. MTP Act, also called as the MTP Act. MTP Act addresses the public health priorities. Firstly, MTP has been enabled in the 1971 by the according to public health priority, addressing in means with researching in the public health priority. First one, aims to improve the maternal health scenario by preventing large number of unsafe abortions. Before going to enabling that in 1971, what happened? Unsafe abortion has been done by the dayas or in the community. Because of that, what happened? Maternal mortality and morbidity rate was high in the before the 1971. That's why the MTP Act has been launched in 1971 by according to improve the health of the mother and decrease the maternal mortality rate. Legalized abortion services we can provide by this MTP Act. Because of that, they have launched MTP Act. Promote access to safe abortion services women for maintaining the woman health after the abortions. Decriminalize the abortion seekers. Before launching of this act, what happened? Criminalized activity has been done with the women for forcefully abortions. Because of that, government has launched decriminalize the abortions under the coverage of MTP Act. Offer protections to medical pregnancies who can otherwise would be personalized under the Indian Penal Code, Section 315 and Section 316. Medical persons can easily perform via these sections under the MTP Act, and they can easily perform with the permissions by the government under this Act. Legal framework for the maintaining the MTP Act. Firstly, when and where pregnancy can be terminated. It means to whom and which pregnancy we can transmit it or which pregnancy we can terminate. Grants the central government powers and makes rules and state government powers to frame the regulations. After that, deciding the place and after the deciding the indications, government provides the some legal frameworks for providing this MTP Act, and afterwards that medical personnel can provide the abortions procedure. MTP rules covers the who can terminate the pregnancy, training requirements of that particular practitioners, approval process for that practical place, further that maintaining the aseptic techniques for maintaining the abortion, safe abortions. Like who can perform the medical registers, only perform this pregnancy abortions of that training requirements and approval process under the coverage of MTP rules. MTP regulations. MTP regulations forms the opinions and maintains of the records and reports and concerns for maintaining the safe abortions procedures. And for the legal actions, custodies of the forms and reporting the cases. Custodies for the forms means the registrations of particular mother who are and registrations of the particular practitioners who are performing this procedure. Legal abortions. Legal abortions terms as a medical pregnancy approved by this act. If the medical professional provides the approvals to performing this medical termination of pregnancy, that comes under this act. Terminations done at the place approved by the under the act. Governments provide the some place like government hospital or provides the medical private medicals for providing this abortions procedures. Terminations done the conditions within the gestation period by the act. Gestation period is less than 20 weeks, then we can provide the comes under the conditions, then we can provide the legal abortions procedure. When can pregnancy can be terminated? If the mother is 20-week gestational age less than if the mother having the 20-week pregnancy, then we can provide easily. If the mother having the below age of 18, we can provide the easily abortions procedure at the mentally ill patients because they maybe get in the chance of the rape cases. So in that cases, we can provide the easily abortions procedures or the mother is mentally, psychologically not stable, then we can provide this procedure. Other than this, registrars medical practitioners form the good faith if the registrars practitioners is telling that pregnancy is not attachment good or pregnancy is high risk, then or baby having the problem or the fetus having the problem, then we can confirm that makes a medical pregnancy we can approve. Indications for the this termination constitutes risk. Pregnancy related risk like high risk pregnancies, mother having the previously history of the abortions, previously infertility histories, mother having the physical problem, mother having the mental health illness, then we can provide easily abortions. Another then physical mental abnormality to the fetus like congenital deformity, chromosomal abnormalities, fetus having unknown growth, then we can provide the or chances of getting the abortions in early pregnancy, then we can easily provide this MTB Act to that mother and we can perform these abortions procedures. Pregnancy caused by the rape presumes gravity, injury, and mental health that mother is not able to keep the baby via the mental health. So we can easily provide the abortions procedures. Contraceptive failures, if the mother having the previously contraceptive method they approve or they having the property, they are also going to take the contraceptive pills. Then also, if the pregnancy can be achieved, then we can approve the for the abortions procedures. These all are about the indications. Now, place for the conducting the MTP. The government providing some place like government hospitals. Each government hospital providing the MTP Act and they perform the abortion procedure safely. According to private hospital, the CMHO, Chief Medical Health Officer, providing as a chairperson, he is providing the permissions for the private hospital to providing the this MTP Act, and according to that permissions by these Chief Medical Health Officers, we can provide the abortions, safe abortions procedure in private hospitals also. MTBUs covers the experience training requirements of providers like medical research or medical health personas can provide easily who are having the experience greater than 3 years in obstetrics and training has been taken at the time of the graduations. Approval of the place for the termination pregnancy, the persons who are going to provide this abortion process, he has to make the approvals from the Indian governments and then he has to decide the place for performing this safe abortion procedures. Composition training for the district level committees. Then he has to also take the permission for the district level chairpersons for providing the this MTP. Inspection consultations and the suspensions of the approvals reviews. Like if the hospitals having that inspections, like NABH hospitals, they also going to provide this MTP easily, and then consent if they are having the consent form for the which uploaded by the government, they can easily provide this abortion safe abortion procedures. Who can perform? What is the need of that particular persons, that particular doctor, which is going to provide this MTP Act, which is going to provide this abortion procedures. That is medical license RMP, also called as a medical qualification as qualified the clause of the sections 2 of the Indian Medical Council Act 1956. He has to take the permissions firstly for the this MTP Act from the Indian councils under the sections of the section 2, and they had been up in the 1956. Whose name has been entered in the state medical registers, they can also provide the this procedures, and who has taken the training at the time of the graduations, after the graduations, and who has followed these rules of the which is made by the government, they can easily provide, or who has having the master in the gynecology and obstetrics, they can easily provide this abortion procedure under the act of the MTP. Training requirements of that particular persons, he has to firstly for the termination of the 20 weeks pregnancy, if that is a high risk pregnancy, then he has to be, the practitioner has to be postgraduate degree, and in obstetrics and gynecology he has to also the 6-month house job in the post operative intraoperative period. He has also the 1 year experience in the process of obstetrics and gynecology after the graduations with all the facilities, with all the uh, specialities, and mostly in the obstetrics and gynecology. Then he has to register with the state medical registers immediately before commencement of this act. Before going to start the act, he has to firstly take the permissions. He has to firstly register via the state medical registrations, and then he has to be follow these norms. Thank you, everyone.